Hi guys, today you are going to know a few things, few tactics which work for me. The same thing, it helps you to work on it. See, how to get a quality backlinks, how to know that the link what we achieved is the quality one. You can check it out this video. See, let's go deep and check into the video. So the link what we get, it should be high authority link. Remember these few tips which works for you. Let's check these tips. First tip, the authority link what we get using your anchor text, your niche thing, it should be niche relevant link. The first tip. And another tip, your link what you tends to get, it should be higher authority compared to your website. So this is the second tip, and always get a do follow backlink to your website. This is the way the do follow backlink will look. So these are the three steps or the tactics tips which works for you. So meanwhile you tends to get a doubt how to check the authority of the website. I'll let you know. There are the few tools or the free tools which helps you to find authority of your website and your competitors also. Let's check. Moz Explorer tool. This tool will helps you a lot to find domain authority, page authority, and the spam score of particular web page or the service page. It should be 1:2. So you can check this image, which includes the Moz Explorer tool, Link Explorer tool, helps me to find my competitors' authority, domain authority, whereas the page authority and the spam score of my competitor. Before getting my backlink, I will check whether the backlink what I used to get, it should be less than 3, the spam score. Then only I will get a backlink from that particular niche. So this works fine. So meanwhile you will get a doubt. How can you find citation flow, trust flow, or whether the backlink is a do follow? These are the things will has been involved. Citation flow and trust flow, where we can use another open source tool which is Majestic. Majestic tool, this is the Majestic tool which helps you to find citation flow, trust flow of the particular website. Citation flow is nothing but complete backlinks linking to that particular website. So whereas the trust flow is nothing but the trust, high quality, high authority, less spam score website linking to the page. This is a website which I have been checked using the Majestic tool, and you can have a look at it. And both Moz Link Explorer and Majestic tool, these two tools will help me to find my linking authority, linking website, or getting a backlink from particular website. It is the authority or not. So hope guys you understood how to get a backlink and what kind of factors will affect to get a backlink, and this is the ways, these are the tools will help you out to find a backlink. Hope you understood well. Thank you.